Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos. God bless you. So today we're gonna do his travel documents because if you have a travel document, you can travel to the lot of countries except your country which you claim asylum against. So you claim about Pakistan, so you cannot go to Pakistan, but you can go other countries. So it's easy for you to travel, and if you want to meet your family, you can they can come there and you go there and you can meet with each other. So write in Google. So we're going to do step by step. Apply for the home office travel document. If you want to read this one, is very simple. Just read it and just follow the instructions. So we're going to go through everything. Refugee travel document. um, so this costs 94 pound. uh, if children is 61 pound. Yeah, so here if you go out at the top here, so this is the instruction if you want to read it. But when you click how to apply, this will comes. Then this will say start now. So apply now. Are you currently in the UK? Yes. Save and continue. Travel document, one way travel document. Select the type of travel document you are applying for. One way travel certificate. So we are applying for the refugee travel document. Save and continue. So here you're going to put your email address, create the password, make your account, and then you're ready to go. So they ask for the I am the applicant. Save and continue. Immigration.
Advisor. No.
So yeah, so we don't have any immigration advisor. So click no. Yeah, so this is the answers they ask you to do it. Then you put your details now here. So after this one, are you now or have you ever been known by another name? No. Save and continue. So they're asking to see if yeah, this is our email. They can connect with us. Save and continue. Telephone number we're gonna use for Wallis in the UK. Just put your telephone number. Yeah, you can click both. Maybe so you cannot go outside if you apply for the asylum until you have travel document. So it's fine. You just save and continue. Address. Put your address here. The next question they're asking for your sex relation. Male when your status is single. Save and continue. Nationality, country of birth, place of birth. The next question they ask: do you have a biometric resident permit? We don't have at the moment. Have you obtained settlement or been given indefinite leave to remain in the UK? No, in our case. Have you obtained limited leave to remain to enter in the UK? No. This means that you have the right to live in the UK for a limited period.
Yes.
Yes, because on the letter they said you can live up to that time. Enter the date you limited it till, yeah. So because when you get your refugee letter, that on that there's a date there you can have that time up to that time. So paper immigration status document. Do you have a paper immigration status document? Yeah. When your asylum is accepted, they will send you an email, which is the paper, which is that paper. In the name sections shown on the paper in status document, correct? Yes. Have you already sent the paper immigration status to the home office? Uh, Home office sent to us. We no need to send to them. Save and continue. You must have a national insurance number. So put this. After that, the convictions and other penalties. Don't know in our case. War crimes, no in our case. Terrorists, no. Organization, no. You should read it as well.
No.
No. Persons of good character. Have you ever engaged in the no. Time living. How long have you lived in the UK? So whatever time he just lived about 0 years
Six
and
months.
6 month. Save and continue. Countries. Do you know which country? Yes, you want to travel to EU, Europe. So maybe yeah, you can say that Germany, Spain, Switzerland. Up to you if you want to add it. Switzerland, yeah. Save and continue. Sponsored, did you have, were you sponsored to come to UK? No. Your home office reference number. You put your home office reference number here. If you have, this should be on your document. So previous, have you made any previous UK immigration application in the UK or abroad? If you come with the student visa, then you should mention this one over here. Yes. If not, then if you don't have it, then just do no. So these are the details. You can check it. So when you check your questions, then documents. Do you ever held any of these documents? Paper immigration status document. Yes, we have it. We can send it if they ask it, but they don't ask. I think so. You just read it. Whatever you have it. I don't think so. If you are asylum seeker, you don't have any because they're going to hold your passport as well. So continue. So now this is very important. So they say you have to send two passport photos, uh, paper immigration status. So press save and continue. So just check. They're asking for the answers. So here is a declaration. Just accept. I am the applicant. Accept the above. So you have to pay now 94.50 pound. Save and continue. Continue to the world pay. So just you make your payment here. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So after making the payment, they are saying print confirmation. If you want, save and continue to the final task. So they are saying that you need to send your checklist and supporting documents in the post. So you have to download this supporting document. When you download it, let's see what's it going. So that there's a personal details, so I don't want to share it. So they're asking for the passport and whatever document, home office document. They are saying you have to send them, and the photo you should write your name at the back. And if you must print this as well, and send this one, this page, 2 pages, and send to this address. If you want to do the recorded delivery, it's going to be okay, but it's up to you. It's depend on your pocket. If you can afford it, yeah. So you do the recorded delivery. It's going to be the next day. They start working on it. So I wish you good luck for your travel document, and I wish you good luck again as well. You want to say something?
Yeah, I'm very happy because
You
you
very
helped me a
happy?
lot.
You're gonna more happy when you get your travel document.
Yeah.
Okay. So he got his some payment from the university credit as well. God bless you. Thank you so much.